Banana benefits for skin and hair. A simple banana has many beauty benefits because it is rich in potassium and magnesium, and also contains vitamin A, B, E, zinc, amino acids, and more. You can eat it or use it topically to enjoy the full range of its benefits for your skin and hair. Beauty benefits of banana. 1. Acne treatment. However strange it may sound, but bananas have anti-inflammatory properties, so they can reduce acne. They also contain zinc and lectin that act against acne-causing bacteria. How to use: mash a banana, mix it with honey, and apply where needed, for 7 minutes. Alternatively, you can simply stick a banana peel on your acne and scars. These peels will give you an additional benefit of lightening acne scars and dark spots. 2. Skin oil control. Bananas balance skin sebum production and hydrate the skin. Here is a simple face mask recipe. Take 1 ripe unpeeled banana and blend it together with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply the mixture onto your clean face, but avoid the area around your eyes. Keep it for a few minutes, then rinse off with tepid water. 3. Split ends fix. Bananas can nourish, hydrate, and strengthen the hair ends, and you can achieve all this with this hair mask. Put into a blender 1 ripe and peeled banana, and pour 1 tablespoon of whole milk, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Finally, add 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and blend the ingredients until you get a creamy mixture. You can additionally strain it through the fine mesh strainer to make it very smooth. Apply this mask from the roots to the ends of your hair, or straight onto your dry hair ends. Tie your hair up and put it in a shower cap. Keep the mask for 30 minutes, then rinse off and wash your hair with a natural sulfate-free shampoo. 4. Dry damaged hair. Bananas can repair damaged hair, and there is a simple hair treatment with bananas, coconut, and honey. Add into a high-speed blender these ingredients: 2 ripe unpeeled bananas, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend the ingredients until there will be no lumps, then apply the mask onto your hair. Cover your head with a shower cap, and keep the mask on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with tepid water. Apply a leave-in conditioner after that, if you want.